everybody, welcome back to another episode of So Good. I'm Abby.
And I'm Richard.
And today we will be making fish and chips.
Fish and chips. I'm so excited about this. My mom and her boyfriend Chemo, soon to be my stepdad and your pup there, they went fishing off the coast of, I think, Ensenada or somewhere south of the border for a whole weekend, and they caught a whole bunch of rockfish.
Like, a lot.
A lot. So they brought us bags and bags and bags of rockfish. So we saved the little small ones for fish and chips. And also, Chemo gave us a beer batter recipe that he swears by. And the only thing that we're going to change on it is we're going to add Old Bay seasoning to the actual batter mix. So we have our fish. We tried to get as many bones out of it as possible. And, you know, good luck with that.
Tiny, so.
Also, we've dried the fish out, you know, with paper towels and everything to keep a lot of the moisture out, so when you deep fry it, it doesn't do that whole crazy thing. And Abby's going to get this batter started. She's going to tell you what's going in it.
So for the batter, we will need 1 cup of flour, half of a cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay, and then we're going to add beer until it's like pancake batter consistency.
Yeah, and whatever's left over, I get to drink. So let's get that going, and we'll get it all whisked in, and yeah.
For our batter, we used about 1 cup of beer.
Yes, it did work out to be a cup because I had 2 cups in here because I wasn't sure because I've never made this batter before, which means there's a cup left for Dad to drink, so don't mind if I do. Yeah, so we have the consistency that we need. It's like a pancake batter. It smells delicious. And we're going to be serving this with French fries that we got at the store. Those are baking in the oven. Can't make everything from scratch. My wife has a really good coleslaw recipe that we've been using for a lot of years, and we're going to post that on our Facebook page at So Good Cooking, and that's going to be under So Good Sides. Also, we came up with a really awesome tartar sauce recipe, and that'll also be on our Facebook page, and that'll be under sausage spreads and marinades at So Good Cooking. So we just got to get these suckers deep fried. This is my favorite part right here.
That means we get to taste
Oh, yum. Holy moly!
They look delicious!
Oh those really do look delicious. We have a slotted spoon.
That we probably got from Wally World, aka Walmart.
We're gonna these are really small pieces of fish, so I don't think they're gonna take long at all.
Oh yeah, they're raw, huh?
And
they're just not golden brown yet, so they need a little longer.
yeah, we want them a little bit brown.
They're a little yellow right now. But they're getting there.
Oh, they're getting there. It's popping. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. We've got all this deep fried fish. It turned out
so good.
So good. And I can't even get over how nice this looks. Again, we have my wife, Heather's homemade coleslaw that you can find on our Facebook page under So Good Sides, and also a really good homemade tartar sauce that you're going to find under sausage spreads and marinade, and that's all on our Facebook page at So Good Cooking. And we got the fries. Abby got some ketchup for her fries. I got a little bit of malt vinegar for my fish. These are going to be piping hot, and so
let's dig in.
Let's dig in. For the coleslaw, maybe? I don't eat coleslaw with my hands. I like a little bit of lemon on my fish.
Okay, put more lemon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good.
And a little bit of malt vinegar. A little tiny bit of that on there. Ooh, how hot is that? Is it really hot?
No, not that hot.
That really was super quick.
Mm-hmm.
So we're happy about that.
It's like a pretty easy recipe and it's really good. And you can just do what we did, buy the fries from the store.
Yeah, we weren't. Ain't nobody got time to make that.
Oh, those are good.
Wow.
We have to try the coleslaw, though. You have to try the healthy part.
This fish
It
is so good.
So good.
So good. Wow.
Oh, that was cool.
God, the tartar sauce is amazing too. Well, we hope you enjoyed us watching us stuff our face yet again.
I feel greasy.
Yeah.
We're doing fine.
See you next time.